So this is going to be your almost personal reading, all signs collective, soulmate twin flame, what all you guys can expect moving forward in this connection. So let's see. Right now, what's your overall energy going to be for the next, let's take 72 hours. The star card. So you guys are focused on your healing. Okay, you guys are focused on moving ahead in life. You guys are not wanting to stay stuck on something. Okay, you guys are wanting to heal and move ahead in life. Okay, in terms of your connection, how are you thinking about the person concerned? With the sun card, I do feel many of you guys have got their attention from this individual. They could have taken some action or some bits of action, or gone as messaged, or give you some sort of sign that they are around. Some of you guys might be looking forward to it. Okay, with the sun card, this person does make you happy. Okay, regardless if there's been communication or not, this person, whoever you're thinking about, does make you happy. Okay, in terms of that, what are your intentions towards the connection? In terms of intention with the tower card, you want changes. Okay, you do not want the same thing to repeat all over again. In the recent past, for many of you, I believe there has been some sort of return. I do not know if you've got message, or the person has personally called you or liked your picture. I do not know what they've done, but there's some changes. Okay, but you want more. You want some solid firm changes. Okay, and you want this person to take action towards you, fast forward action. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? In terms of your person, what do you see this your individual going through, your soulmate twin flame? Ace of Cups. How are they thinking about you now? How are they really thinking about you? Okay, give me a clarifier square. We have the Judgment card. So this person definitely wants a second chance. Okay, the problem could be that Eight of Pentacles is in the reverse. They are still very much in their feelings. Okay, that they have for you, but uh, the problem is still not wanting to put in that effort. They want you, but they won't try harder. That's the problem. They might message, communicate, but it might stay at that. You know what I'm trying to say? You have to understand the situation, otherwise you are just going to get mad at me, right? With the Judgment card, calls for a decision. Someone has to either choose between two options, or someone has to end a past connection to come forward towards you, or someone has to make the choice of coming forward, putting in the effort, and maintaining the connection with you. Okay, so one card. In terms of their feelings, how do they feel for you now? How do they feel for you? Okay. In terms of feelings, we have Two of Cups. So they are definitely feeling connected to you. But the problem is the Moon card, not sharing shit about it. Okay, the Moon card is a card where someone, despite having solid feelings for you, won't really open up about it, but they feel very connected to you, like a solid connection. Someone who, regardless if they are in communication or not, this person is feeling connected. This person is still feeling bound to you. Okay, now yes, you guys, some of you who have had no communication for more than a year, some of you like 1.5 year, like no communication, this person has blocked you, there's nothing happening. Do not try to relate to this reading. Do not try to forcefully relate. I do readings for people who are in some bits of communication, or who know that the person in some which way is still interested. Okay, one card. In terms of their heart space, what's happening? In terms of their heart space, we have Queen of Pentacles. So this person thinks a lot about you. They do care a lot about you. They are very attached to you. Okay, one more card in terms of their head space. In terms of their head space, in terms of their head space, this person, Page of Swords. They are watching you. They're keeping a tap on you. But the problem is this person isn't taking action. They are more cautious. They are more curious. So I see their energy being, they want to know what's happening around you. They want to know, if you are open to other people. So they might kind of put you in that zone where they get a reaction out of you in some which way. Okay, so that might be the plan, to be honest. Okay, one card for intentions. What are their intentions towards you now? Intention with Seven of Wands, I still see this person not completely coming forward. Okay, still maintaining distance, still not wanting to completely surrender. They still have their walls up, to be honest. Okay, one card for why are they doing this? What's the major blockage? Knight of Swords. This person is waiting on you to see whether you are charging in or whether you are like putting the effort. They will try to get your reaction, and then they'll wait on you to charge in, like to like put in effort or either take action towards them or either reach out to them, that sort of energy. One card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you? To the Lovers card, they feel like you are their person. They look at you as their own person, as someone who they have interest towards, someone who they have feelings for, someone who they have sexual interest, someone who they want in their life, someone who they want to choose in their life. Okay, one card. What action can you expect from this person now for the next, let's take 72 hours? What can you possibly expect from this individual? Okay, what can you expect? I believe this person is eventually going to take action towards you or is going to reach out. Okay, I do feel if they have ghosted you or if they have even reached out but they're not messaging much or they are not reaching out much, I do see by Friday this person will put in some sort of effort. Okay, one more card. Where this is heading forward? Where is this heading forward? We have two cards. We have Knight of Wands, and then we have the Hermit. Some for selected few days, maybe tomorrow or day after, they might ghost you out of nowhere. But I do see them coming, coming back. Okay, so they might ghost you for a while, but I do see them returning. Why are they ghosting you? What's the major problem? Why are they ghosting you again? Wheel of Fortune. They are wanting to see where things go. They are basically wanting to see your reaction to it. They are also trying to test your patience. They are going with the flow, but they also want to see how you react to it. So they might do that. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you, their overall energy towards you. Overall energy is Page of Wands. They are interested. They want to come forward. Okay, but what you guys could expect for the most part of the week? Just like I told you, there will be confusion, but this person will clear the confusion by end of this week. Okay, so for selected few days, maybe tomorrow they might ghost you out of nowhere. Okay, if you have got no fucking communication whatsoever, then I do feel like they'll show some bits of interest in some which way. Either by liking your picture or by messaging you on whatever messenger you use, Snapchatting you. Okay, so they might do something to get your attention. They might give you that hint, so look out. Okay, one card of advice for you people. Right now all you need to do is stay away. Let them make the move. Okay, you just hold on to it, but don't react, don't reach out, don't do anything stupid. Just stay away. Let this person put in that effort. If they want to, they will. If they do not want to, your life will continue. You're not going to die without them, to be honest, right? One card for what are they hiding from you? What are they really hiding from you? Wall, Two of Pentacles and Three of Wands. This person is definitely looking forward to you, but the problem could be that they have options or they are kind of like thinking of options. Okay, they either they have options or they are thinking of options. But in terms of feelings, yes, they do have feelings. Now, yes, a very two smart individuals will want to come in saying, if they have feelings for me, why are they not reaching out? Because people need more than feelings. It's okay. Like when you marry someone, you know that one needs more than feelings. There needs to be this future that you could look forward to. You and the guys need to be able to live with each other, plan for each other, build with each other. Lots goes in terms of building a relationship. So it's not just feelings. A lot of other things are also required. Okay, some very smart individuals will still want to comment, but I don't know what to say, but yeah, okay. And then there are individuals who know that their connection is over and nothing could come out of it, but they'll still want to act smart. If you know your connection is over, move on. You speaking shit to me won't prove anything. Okay. Moreover, you're just wasting your time if you're wanting to prove some tarot reader wrong. You think I gave a fuck? I don't know. But darling, don't waste your time. Even if I hate you, like you, love you, you need to focus on what's next in your life and not what's done. Okay, what's done, don't keep validating it or don't keep searching for it. What's done is done. Life is endless. You'll definitely have a new opportunity coming forward. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance, Libra Vibes Only, Scorpio Vibes Only. Message me on WhatsApp if you want a personal reading, or you could visit my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, for taking the time to watch this video. And if you've got offended by the F bomb, darling, that's me. I can't do anything about it. See you soon. Cheers.